We have come up a long way, and from what it seems, we are quite close to finishing the page. Apart from the login section and some quite simple elements that we can create easily, we still have the listing section at the bottom. I already created it so that you can see it in action. As you can see, it is an interesting one, and we can create it by using the Repeater widget. Of course, it is a little bit more complicated than the navigation repeater, because it contains also images, but they are easy to import by right-clicking on a row in the Repeater Dataset tab and selecting Import Image. Having in mind that most courses don't imply students to actually do some work, I find them pretty dull, as they are one-sided and don't give you a sense of accomplishment. I will try to do something new, and will ask you to create this section by yourself. Of course, you have the RP file for reference in the exercise files, but you don't need to create the section by using a repeater widget if you want to try something new. There are several ways in which you can go about it, and I would really like you to try and be creative and find a different approach. After you finish it, I would be glad to look into it and give you feedback and improvement suggestions on your work. So please email me at radu@prototypingtoday and attach your RP file so I can have a look. Also, if you find it too difficult or you have questions on any element that we created up until now, please email me at radu@prototypingtoday and I will reply as quickly as possible. My main goal is to constantly improve the quality of the lessons, so I'm looking forward to your emails. Thank you and happy prototyping!